Imagine you are watching your favorite movie when suddenly you felt the ground shaking and then it intensified. If an earthquake occurs like in our situation, do you know what to do before, during, and after? If not, continue on watching and this video might save our lives. Don'ts. Don't just watch your favorite movie. Don't cook. Don't just take selfies and use social media. Before, do's. Unplug all electronics that might cause fire. Check the stove and gas range. Put all toxic chemicals in a much safer place. Tie all heavy objects that might fall. Store exposed materials in a much lower place. Prepare a first aid kit. List all emergency hotlines. Be alert and be updated about the news. Know the emergency pathway or exit. During, do's. Duck and stay at your place if no heavy object is near. Cover your head and neck with something and hold until the shaking stops. Don't. Do not panic. And do not stay under heavy objects that might fall down. After, do. Calmly evacuate in an open space area. The effects of earthquakes are tsunami, landslides, soil liquefaction, and damages of infrastructures.
Imagine you are watching the television with your friends, and then suddenly it shut off. What should be done in a situation like this, and what should not be done that may cause this situation again? If you wanna know, please keep on watching. For the don'ts, do not leave the stove without closing the gas tank. Do not plug excessive cables in an extension cord. If not in use, do not leave electronics and lights unattended. For the do's, remove plugged cables and wires before going to sleep. List down fire hotlines in easy-to-read places. Check if the stove and the gas tank are fully closed after cooking. Turn the lights off when not in use, and always label the emergency exit in your house or any establishments. The effects of fire can be burn injuries, loss of life, damaged properties, and air pollution.
Imagine you were doing your performance task in earth science and then suddenly a thunderstorm strikes. Do you know what to do before, during, and after a typhoon? If not, please continue watching this video. Before typhoon, always keep yourself updated with the latest weather report. Prepare foods that need not to be cooked. Listen to the news reports regarding your place. Prepare first aid kits for emergency. Prepare clothes in case of evacuation. Keep flashlights and candles within easy reach. Secure domesticated animals in safe place. During typhoon, stay inside the house. Close the windows. Turn off the main power switch. After typhoon, before going out the house, make sure that it is safe. Clean all the mess and destroyed materials that the typhoon caused. Do not let water accumulate to avoid creating a favorable condition for mosquito breeding. The effects of typhoon, primary effects, collapses of houses and buildings, Secondary effects, loss of electricity, and for the tertiary effects, damage of economics in the country.